Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the Wpml or WordPress multilingual plugin. So let's get right into it. Now to use this plugin, of course, you first need to download it and install it. And the way you download it is you go to their main page, which is wpml.org, and then you purchase a subscription and then download the actual app. Once you do, and you should get a zip file, you go into plugins, click add new plugin, and you'll have the option to install your plugins here. Now, as you can see, I can't because I am on the free plan on WordPress, but if you have the business plan or higher, you will be able to install all your plugins with relative ease. Once you just upload the file and install it, then you just have to activate it and then you can start translating. Now I'll be using this site because of course I cannot use plugins, and the way you translate with WPML is you go here into the left, click on the sidebar icon, then go into translation management and scroll down to select the items to translation or for translation. Then you can click all types or select page, select whatever you want, and click the filter button to confirm. And then you just need to select the items you want to translate, and once you do, you need to choose the language you want to translate into and the method. With this app, you can do it automatically by yourself and or with translators that you add to your site, but I would recommend automatically if you don't know the language, of course. And even if you do, I would recommend just translating automatically and then fixing any grammatical error or spelling errors by hand, simply because it just does the work for you. And then you just click start translating, and then after that's finished, you go into WPML translations, click on review next to the translation you have just done, and then once you do, you can just go ahead and update it or publish it, and then you can also undo translations if you wish, if you notice any errors on your live site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.